Hi! Okay, let's start over again. Okay. Welcome, every single one of you winners. Today has been an amazing day. I hope that you are awesome. I hope that you are great. I hope you made money today because today was absolutely awesome. So, yeah. I was on TraderNick today on A1 trading. I think we were 135, 130, something around there. Pretty good, thank you. So everyone who comes from there, welcome. This is when I'm supposed to be live, 1930, an hour late, sorry. You know, had to go to the store, had to get food, had to make the freaking dinner, and nobody made it for me. I don't have helpers. Hashtag Middle East. That has 4 helpers. I don't have anyone, so nobody made my food. I had to make my food. You saw the food in the Discord channel. Enough topic, and it took some time, you know. Feeding that thing doesn't take 2 minutes. And it wasn't pizza, so it was good food. Sound now then? Now sound? We don't have your sound. You're deaf. I'm not talking to myself, Cash. I was talking to you guys. Aww. Hello. Perfect. Alright, cool. So, why do I feel off right now? I'm sorry, I'm late. Let's go. Good, come on. I need to power up myself. Full. All good now. Cool. So who of you 15 are from TraderNick channel kind of a thing? I just want a hand in the air. Anyone? I feel like I'm back to school now, but a hand in the air. Where are you from? So wifey called me. I'm live. Just tell her I'm live so she doesn't come after me and say, "Hey you, where are you? Why are you not responding to my text messages? I'm gonna chop your head off." She won't say that though. Okay, so we have a problem. I need to start my phone. So if I'm away for 2 minutes, I can put on the music up so you guys can listen to music and not myself. Yes. Cool. So let's start then. Everything good. Cool. Just tell me if the music is in the way, then I will begin. And I didn't mute myself, did I again? No, I'm here. Cool, so we are good to go. There we are. For sure, amazing day. Thank you for the insight. Boom. Me, but you're not already. Yeah, I know. Happening. I saw that. TraderNick. Someone I won. Alan Liam. Okay, so we have a couple of people to impress today. With our amazing knowledge, education, and I forgot to say though at the end. I forgot to say skibidi-bidoo like Goofy. Gosh, I was spent at that point. So if you guys felt in the end, I was like, just helping and trying and for things to work out. Yeah, cool. Cheers, bro. Australian dollar is strong. Yeah, fantastic that you took that one. Why did your USD fall? I don't know. I actually have no clue. I've not been at the chart since the live on TraderNick. So I'm actually just going to update myself as much as you are going to update yourself. Okay, cool. So what I would do then when I come back to my charts kind of thing. First of all, DXY went back up again. Why? It doesn't need to be a reason, ladies and gentlemen. It just is a market move. Pound dollar is falling for some obscured reason, and I don't know why. Maybe that's what it was supposed to do it anyways, but you know, this is just technically falling. USD CAD, whatever. What were USD CAD? USD CAD certainly isn't confirming a break in oil, but it might not be all that it appears. Okay, cool. Somebody messaged me and asked if I would join. What do you call it? A survey. Should I join a survey now? No. Also, the dollar takes towards back the high of the day. Okay, we can go into that. The RBA array in change and kept more dovish stance. Inflation and wage pressure is subdued. And pre-ups in prices are only expected to be gradual and modest. So maybe that's the reason why it doesn't really have the punch to go higher. But we shall see. We can look. We can look. Aussie. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's go and check out. What did I tell you guys? I'm going back to my Discord channel. So here, I don't know why, I feel like I'm at someone else's party when I'm on TradingNext channels. I feel like I can't show you so much. But at least I can show you what I shared earlier today. Here we are. And we are coming in at 1042. So wherever price was 1042, Euro, Aussie, New Zealand. Okay, let's go there. So 1042 today. I will go down to a 5 minutes chart, so you can have 5 minutes on you. And then we can go today. Okay, needed. 2020 something. 2021. Is it 0? No, it's not. 06, 001. I don't know. Let's check. Cool. Today. And then we go to like, what was it? 11 a.m. 11 something. It was 10:42. Cool. So 10:42, 10:42, 10:45. Cool. Somewhere around here, I told you guys to buy. So give or take, you know, 77.42. You should be in profit by now, by the way. Okay. So let's get out of that chart. And then we go in here, and then we just add that thing again, and then 77.42, 77.42, 77.42, 42, 42, give or take somewhere around here. Cool. So that's kind of where what happened today. We went a bit of a drawdown. Sorry, we didn't break lower. Yay! So that we can now go higher again. Cool. So that was a nice. Will it rise from here? Yes, it should rise from here. We can look at your dollar very time soon. Yeah, we're still very good. We are good and in profits. So yeah, cool. Though this webinar does not contain any investments. This webinar does not contain any investment advice. It's only for education purposes or profit purposes. I feel weird today. I know. Sorry. So if you feel like I'm weird, you know, just laugh with me. Don't laugh off me. Just with me. I love being in profit, and damn, we are good today. What are we now? 20 pips in profit, but boom. Even you scalpers should be in this one. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah. Looking at euro around the same time. Guess so around. Was it this one? Whatever that price is it, or is it this one maybe? Yeah, around here, bought around here. So euro came down again. Does that matter anything? No, because we haven't made a lower low. Okay, we can come back to support. Yay! Do you know what that means? Because we can just buy it again. Cool. And somewhere around these prices, you would like to, be, buying tomorrow. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Today was a bit of, less momentum that I wanted. It's still great. It's still good. It's still kind of okay. Someone up on your USD. Skibidoo! Yeah. Yes, we are. So I mentioned earlier where I had my entries. I have my entries around here and around here. Other than that, everything is great. Everything is great. And if you took this one, this buy here, great. Okay, cool. Like if you think that's a higher high, that's a higher low, cool. That is also a great trade to take. I'm not going to say that you should. I'm just saying if you did, cool. That's good on you. Muhammad says, will US dollar reach 72.80? What's our target, brother? Don't we have a target there? We have a target somewhere. What's our target? What's the target? 78 something? 78,450, I think it is. So yeah, of course. Of course. Miles, of course. That's our plan, at least. Yeah. I'm gonna fight with GU. Yeah. So what really happened there, bro? I don't know what happened really, but yeah. I bought you. They call me stupid. Yeah. Now I'm not calling you stupid. I think it's okay, but I think that it's not performing as you would like to. I think that's a kind of another clue though. How is the music going? Is it too loud? Is it too low? Is it like somewhere? I need to. Maybe I can just listen to myself then. So yeah, cool. You guys can't hear me music. I put music for you guys. I can't hear my own music. I'll put the music. Somewhere in the background now. Cool. It's a monthly buy zone. Yeah. People on the forum. Yeah. Don't fight with people, bro. You have too much aggression for those people. I'm sorry. You need to take a chill pill and go somewhere else, brother. So I don't like whatever pound is doing right now. Maybe I'm going too fast with you guys. So euro dollar, good. Everything is good. Everything is great. Everything is good. I would love it to be higher by now, but we don't choose. We just accept what we're given. We are humble people. That is given by the Forex gods, by the market. So we just think that's a designer. We choose to. So yeah. Pound, dollar, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. But it should go higher from here though, so I'm just wondering why is it so, what do you call it, pressed? Why is pound so pressed? That's what kind of what I'm wondering. Okay, 41, yeah, okay, you have still some 50 pips left today though. Scottish press conference today had to slow some reopening due to India variant, which is 50% of cases. Yeah, okay, cool then. So if I do gold, though, 50% of you guys leave me because of what do you guys do? I want you guys, to hear me out. Gold is the attention seeker. Yes, I know that. You got me, bro. Maybe I put on the wrong. I think I put on the wrong thumbnail today. Sorry. I think I put on the wrong thumbnail. So for those who were in the Trader Nick live today, there was this guy that was like, he said I'm talking too much. Is that true? Do I talk too much? Like, should I just be silent? Just be, somewhere in the backgrounds? Should I just, be playing some music? Or what? I'm not hurt. I'm like, why? Like, why? Isn't that why I'm here? To help you talk? No, to talk so that you understand me, so that you can become better. I don't know. I don't know where it went though. Maybe he had a bad day. Who knows? So pound, yeah, still going higher, still wanting to go higher, but it's not going higher yet. The thing with pound, it can just go boom. So London tomorrow, you can look for that one to go up. Right now, it's kind of like, no, I don't want to. I really don't like it. It's kind of sad, So pound, cheer up, brother. Cheer up. Is here. Give it to me. I will deal with it. Thank you. Thank you, Lam. Lam, where are you from? Cambodia? Thailand? Indonesia? Singapore? That's my feeling there. Pound yen, same thing. No new higher high. So, you know, wait for it. If you are in whatever you are in, just keep your stop loss correctly. And if it goes to stop loss, learn from it. That's all. I'm not in it, so that's why I feel a bit care less about it. But you know, support. This is the computer support. So if it's gonna hold, or if it's gonna go down here, I don't know. You can look for it to turn around. I saw that Trader Nick was calling out a buy here somewhere earlier today. Yeah, cool, whatever, fine, easy. New Zealand is what happened to New Zealand? Why is New Zealand so depressed? Why is it so pressed? Pressed meaning like saying, like I don't know what the guys did to this currency strength meter, but this is just rubbish. Okay, this is rubbish. I wanted to go down and up, and now it's just everything is just like. And I guess this is weak, but like, nah, no thank you. I think I'll find another currency strength meter compared to you, stupid bro. I want you to find sentiment on New Zealand because. Okay, so it's mixed. It's just on in between. Okay, cool. Euro, dollar, mixed. But we are going higher. But they're selling. Booyah! That's what I want. Good boy. They're starting to buy a pound again. I don't know if I like that. They're supposed to sell. Oh yeah. Good on USD CAD. 83%. That is good. They have bought 11%. 11% of them started buying today. 83%. That's the man. That's the man. Also, same thing we use the Swissy. They're starting to sell it, but they're already very bearish on it. And they're very bullish on it. They're buying a lot. This is buying, even though USD Swissy is falling. So yeah. Let's go to USD Swissy. Who is there? Cool. I thought somebody called me. Nobody called me. So I said, if it comes to this price, you can start looking for sells. That's already there. So if it falls from here, don't shoot me, kind of a thing. But daily central is a bit higher. So cool. It's from 89.70. So I will take it downtown tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I will take it downtown, and tomorrow morning. It can also come up to 89.80 and still be good for sell. Okay. Chief, thank you. I follow you because fundamental first, so technical, and I like you talk fundamental rather than technical. Yeah, I know you do that, but sometimes, you know, fundamentals doesn't change, bro, all the time. So I can't talk fundamental analysis all the time. Like, I don't have time to look at all that fundamental, you know. See, we have here one from NFB saying they're expecting strong growth in Canada in the second half of 2021. Do you know what that means? That means you should be looking for buying CAD opportunities for the month of August, September, October, November, December. Whenever price is at monthly entry, weekly entry, you can be looking for if it's support, if it's a good trend, all those things, you know, your technical analysis, based upon this sentence here. I agree with them, by the way. So that's kind of what I said. Canadian economy will rise at 5.6 rate at the first quarter, according to data releases on Tuesday, slightly below expectations according to National Bank of Canada analysts. The report does not change their view for the strong growth in second half of 2021. Hehe. This is fundamental analysis kind of a thing, or what you're going to expect into the future. This is it's going to be priced in before it actually happens. So probably in August is going to be a good month for the Canadian dollar. There we are. Good. You look like Sweet 16. You know, sometimes. Thank you. I look cute. I know that. Thank you. Yeah. I hope so they can do that. I hope so. Thank you. Cool. So, let's go to gold. For those who are wanting for gold. Okay. Where's gold diggers? Where's hashtag gold diggers? Hashtag gold diggers. Where are you guys? So if you're here for the first time, I would, first of all, if you would like to subscribe to the channel, that would be great. Because I want to help you out. Not because I'm great, not because I laugh, not because I make you laugh, not because I do fundamental analysis, not because I'm boring, but because I want to help you. So if you're here for help, if you're here to learn something new, great. But if you're here to play on the 5 minutes chart and trading NFP on Friday, I cannot help you. I'm sorry. But if you're here to make the big money, 10,000 pips back in December, and how many? I don't know how many are we this. I don't know where are we now, but we're good right now. But if we can get like 500 pips out of this week, that'd be great. 100 on Europe, 100 on Aussie, 100 on New Zealand. 100 out of USD Swissy, and yeah, so we are already on USD Swissy. We are down 28 pips. Okay, cool. So far so good. No, we're not. That's just for today. Yesterday. So somewhere in here, either 23 pips or 35 pips or 40 pips, depending on where you got your entry. So somewhere around here. Hello, Alex. Gold diggers go in sales last night. I've been waiting on GU to move for so long. Yeah, I feel you, brother. So, gold had a more fall than I expected from earlier today. Okay, so, okay. How far did it go? Okay. Is that a lower low, lower high situation? No, not really, no. Everything is still okay. It's just not a higher high. What does that mean? That means, brothers and sisters, that you kind of hope and pray that it's going to go make a higher high. Okay? Cool. You can pray, but I don't control the future, but that's kind of what we can do only. The tomorrow GDP out of Aussie, hopefully retail sales, hopefully can do something great tomorrow morning, and the base book. Are you going to read this one? Yes, you are. We're going to read it. Cool. Yeah, gold. So it's kind of a bit sad, but still, you know, very, very much in, you know, uptrend. You know, I hate trend lines. I'm sorry, shouldn't do that. Take it away. And if it goes lower, just wait for it to start going back up again. And if you have buy orders in here, you know, you should have stop losses below here or somewhere around there. And if it comes down to this zone, you're still held up by this support. So as long as it's above this support, you're still very much good. And it might hurt your account, but you shouldn't lose too much money on this moves, okay? You shouldn't be in it if you can't hold it, right? And manipulation, this is what I talk about manipulation. It falls, looks like a lower low, makes a higher high, comes back down again to the same price, nothing has happened. Cool. Today it falls, comes back up again. Well, this can turn lower, but I don't really care. So what I will do now, I will just do that for you. And then I will do that for you and see which one's gonna hold. Okay, we don't know the future, that's what. Yeah, so, but if you're a seller, should you sell this one? Probably not, no. This is not a sell opportunity at the moment. The reason why is because we're very strongly bullish so far still. Well, everything is high or high. And if you look at a 4 hour, which should be a guiding pin, and this is a trend, you still haven't made a lower low. So if you're going to lower low something, you need to be low than this low minimally. Then you need a lower high before we can start selling. So this low here is just as good as going higher. Okay, no. I guarantee this is gonna go fall more. Maybe NFP's bearish will finally break up. Cool. Me Friday, Monday, Tuesday, 408 pips on euro. Gold sold the top and bought the bottoms. Yeah, and they fight for you for your 20-30 pips. Yeah, I agree with you. So I'm not here to trade and fight with 30 or 40 pips. I'm here to fight for the hundreds. What else? Gold, we did gold. Silver, kind of the same boat, but fairly more range bound. Okay, my honest question though, do you think my chart is too busy? I think it's not understandable? And is my voice not understandable? Somebody say I swallow my words, and I feel in my head I speak very clearly, straightforward, articulated. I would match with the queen any day of the week. But when I watch the replay, it's kind of like sometimes I swallow words. So I'm wondering, maybe I should improve on that. So I'm here to speak a bit better. Other metal silver, kind of not making higher highs. Interesting, just try to make so low. I'm not in it. If you're in it, to bring it up. Remember, 8th of June could be a low. So if it falls, just come back 8th of June. 8th of June is probably Monday or Tuesday. So time and date might not always match each year because there is 365 days a year, not even. If you add up by 7 weeks, so there's a 2-day difference. So yeah, just have that in mind. Is gold bullish? Gold is bullish. Yes, it is very bullish so far. Yes, it's very bullish. How do you swallow words? I wonder how it tastes. Yeah, money blah 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 blah. Like if you go to like Tennessee over in America, or if you go to Texas or somewhere rural, you know, or Pennsylvania, maybe not Pennsylvania, where you go to somewhere south, and you meet a hillbilly. They know how to roast some chicken. And you go to Crocodile Dundee, and then you go with George W. Bush. We're going to invade Iraq. We are going to take him down. Kind of a thing. So, yeah. I don't know. Just different ones. Differences. Differences. I just need to check my count. How's it going today, people? It's 117 pips in profit. Okay. Cool. You know, it is not bad. It's not bad. No bad, no. Could be better. But, yeah. Oui. Sir, can you review SPY about today's decline? Mr. Khanaf, Mrs. Is it Mrs? Probably. Are you a woman or are you a man? Because I have ladies in my channel, but I don't have. They don't come forward and say, "Hey, I'm a woman." Then, because sometimes we are a lonely guy and sit here. Marty Muscle, just subscribe. Thank you. Cool. So, Yeah, so let's go to monthly pivots first of all, by the way. It fell. I don't see the fall. I'm sorry, brother. Yeah, that's yeah, that's the same thing. Because there's another guy in this channel. His Discord is what's his grandmother's name? So a guy called Hilda, and I was like, "Are you trans, or is it a guy?" As I was expecting a woman, by the way. But I heard a guy. I heard a male voice, so I was like, "What?" And then it's this lovely amongness, you know. Thank you very much. So yeah, that kind of tricked me off. So my point being a bit about this SPY thing is that this is your buy price, this is your buy price. And the fall today has been very limited, very small, very kidogo too. So if you know Swahili, that's like little. And I don't see the fall. I'm sorry. I like, did it fall? No, there's nothing. I want more fall. I want it to fall. So 41.70 is probably a better idea to buy though than to buy 42. So if you can wait another 40, 30, 40 points or whatever it is, then yeah, cool. Yeah. So you're using your why are you taking where? Yeah, cool. No, but lovely. You know, don't worry. I just need to reprogram out my brain, because I need to match your username on Discord sometimes to your YouTube account things, and it messes up my brain because I know I like to talk. If you message me with a different account name on Discord, I will be like, "Hey man, how are you doing?" I will be so super friendly. But if I know you're already from YouTube, I will be even more friendlier. You know, I'll say how I can help you. So there's multiple people who come to me on Discord and say, "Hey, I need your help." And I'm like, "Dude, yeah, cool, let's do it." And then they're like, "You don't know me?" I'm like, "No, I'm not. I don't know you. Like, I don't know this name." I'm like, it's Michael." "Oh, Michael. Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome, dude. How are you today?" You know. Same thing with Abbas. He calls him turtle or something. So yeah. So this is the only time I would buy. When we have down here, that's kind of where I only buy. So, nah, cool. Everything is good. Everything is good. How can you join my Discord? Oh. Where did we go? Where did we go? Where did we go? And we go starting Forex? No. Invites link. There it is. So there's this link here. And we can do that and then that. Cool! Woohoo! And then we put onto that one. Cool. Is there any discounts on my mentorship today? No. Maybe I would just add one. I think this is 100. I think it's called 100. 100. Code 100 to get. I forgot to do this. To get 100 off the 6th month subscription. Cool. So now you know. Not all of them, brother. Not all of them. So yeah, cool. The same thing with Nasdaq. I will go to monthly, and it hasn't come down to monthly. So you know, I'm just chilling. Chilling. Coming back to Aussie. Aussie is still just on the verge. It's just just saying, "Hey boys, I can't go lower. I'm trying to go higher, but it's a bit subdued," and then boom. Right? Cool. So. Is Asia going to take it higher? I don't know, by the way. Maybe. This is a very interesting top. It is a monthly central, and I think it's going to be boom. So tomorrow morning, I have to wake up to more profits, by the way. And if it goes lower, I will kick someone. I'm going to be so mean. I'm going to be mean, okay? I'm going to be mean. Euro has not shipped up so far. So how do you do this pound thing though? How can you do this pound thing? Pound. You can either buy here and say, hey, cool, brother, we can take this buy zone from here. And yeah, also cool. It's at yeah. It's not so very strong at the moment. I feel like it's gonna fall. I don't know why. Maybe because of this one. It's a new higher high, but failed so miserably. And when does it normally go higher? Maybe around London Open tomorrow morning, hopefully. Or Asia. Asia can take it up. So, okay, let's hope Asia takes it up though. So how would you trade this thing? Okay. Now I'm going to give you my secret sauce. Hardik asked earlier today, Ivan, are you giving all the secrets to Trader Nick's channel? I'm saying no, brother. I didn't I didn't tell you guys I was sitting in underwear. So no. I don't tell you guys all of my secrets. So if somebody asked me to go and stand up, I wouldn't. So that's kind of what I would hope for in pound, and I would probably buy it here. And if it just goes poo, if it goes like a rocket ship, like one candle, then there's nothing more for me to do it here. Tip of the day. Cool. So that's what I would do. So I would just wait. Same thing with pound. Cool. New Zealand. I don't know, bro. This like, I'm so invested into this shenanigan, and Aussie is here. Euro is also kind of here somewhere. New Zealand is just absolutely terrible. So if we go into the this is the New Zealand index. The other index, like it's like I don't feel it. So yeah, it is what it is, right? Yes, it is what it is. 9 likes today. Thank you for those 9 likes. I really love you guys. Boom. I appreciate every single one of you, family. Welcome. So, USD CAD. So the secret to USD CAD is to find 9 AM and hope that's a little high. You can go for 9 AM and hope that's a high. Where's the high? 9 AM, 9 AM, 9 AM. Yeah, here. Kind of only worked that day. So this was the high. 9 AM, 9 AM, 9 AM. Cool, you know, something. Then this one was at 1 PM. So that 9 AM wasn't that high. So I'm thinking for tomorrow, I will wait for London tomorrow. And with the pivot point on the daily, I would probably sell some here. So this is probably a good price, by the way. And I don't know if it's going to happen, if it's going to work out, you know, don't shoot me, but it's definitely at resistance. So coming into Australian dollar yen, yeah, nothing much there. CAD yen, somewhere in between. Euro yen, somewhere in between. And pound yen, low. And New Zealand yen, yeah, okay. So that means yen is strong, kind of. Is that true? Is it true? Yes, kind of strong here, yes. Kind of strong. On the Dixie, on the other side, it's very much weaker. So I would rather sell dollar. Maybe even worse is the yen. Look at that one. Okay. Yesterday, that's your sell price. Cool. Today, that's your sell price. Cool. Tomorrow, that's your sell price. So what was the sell price? That was 108.90. That was 108.60. And that is 108.50. You're good to go there. Gold is not falling anymore. Great. We can look for upside. Cool. Woohoo. Boom. So, next pair. While I think of my next move about my mount. Just checking it. I do sometimes check it, Hardik. And okay, it's stabilized around 750. So this is interesting, people. This is kind of the thing what happened, what you're kind of expecting. Back in, I don't know, March, April, somewhere around there, I said to my guy, I think you probably should add some more contracts over, I don't know if it was March or April or whatever. I think it was maybe in here this time around, before the great rise. Yeah, so around here, maybe around 600 something. I told him to add more contracts, and then now at 600, and now it's 750. So, but boom. Building houses, building structures, sorry, is getting very expensive at the moment. So that will increase housing prices and stuff like that. So yeah, interesting. What else should we do now? I feel like we have gone through most of what I wanted to do. Then we can go through the sentiment reports, and I don't call it a day though, but you know, cool. So Euro USD long has decreased by 21%. Interesting, because Euro USD is going higher. Maybe they took their profit. Australia is adding shorts taking profit, so it's 50-50. Okay. I think this will change when we break higher or later on. Pound is in between. New Zealand is in between. So that kind of means we're not in a strong market. We don't really have a lot of direction. So cool. So here we have what is NFP and how to trade NFP. It was posted today. And how does it affect? It says that it was worse than expected. It fell many pips. Which currency is most affected by NFP? Euro, no, dollar mostly, but also yen pairs are also, you know, affected. Pound yen is also affected, so don't think that it's going to be unaffected. But of course, mostly around dollar. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Yahoo! What else should we do? Going into seasonality, just as the start of June. This one is supposed to decline. Already done that. Cable going to continue rising. We already done that. Aussie, CAD, New Zealand are going to have the best months. We are about to. We're going there. And not the time to give up the euro. We are good. So everything is great so far. Okay. So we have 13 likes for today. I can live with that. Crypto is not rising. It has kind of found at the bottom. I think this is actually going to continue falling. Just because we haven't rose above 40,000, which was kind of my top. And we need to break that high so we can go higher again. So yeah, currently bearish. Technically bearish. Fundamentally, that's totally up to you. I'm not going to give you any chance to think about that one. US 30 Dow Jones is a higher high. Congratulations. Continue higher. UK going up for a new higher high today. Coming back to support. Fantastic. Going higher. And this is then OBX. This is Oslo Stock Exchange. New higher high. Fantastic. Good. Good job, brothers and sisters. And look at 2021, brother. Wow. That is fantastic. Look at that move. 40% up. 40% up. Cool. So, and that's for the day. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for joining. Joining my Discord channel is absolutely for free. And have a good day. And I will probably have some Zoom meetings later, so not today but tomorrow. Yeah. I will probably try to keep you posted, and if there is other more price buys I will take, I will give you a notice ahead of time. It's not always as easy, but to America, please come in and join my To everyone who needs my help in a mentorship, I'm not mentioning to sell it to you. I'm mentioning if you need it, then there it is. Congratulations on IMNFX.com. If you don't, I am happy. If you come, I'm happy. It's only up to you what you need for yourself to become the expert I want you to become. Maybe I don't provide enough for you to become the expert you want. I'm trying my soul best because it's individual of what you guys need. Mostly what you guys need is like help with psychology, technical analysis. Most of you can do fairly well, but it's the psychology, when to enter, how to carry the stop loss, how to take losses, how to take profit, those things that is mentally. Also, how would you trade when the market doesn't behave? How do you act? Do you revenge trade? Do you come back at the market and say, hey, I'm gonna take you back, and then you lose even more? Those stuff, those difficult stuff that is not done in a day, and definitely not done in an hour. So until then, brothers and sisters, I thank you for coming. I will retreat to my little hole, and I see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Boom. Thank you. Thank you, Ridley Blue. Have a good day.